इसका
October 11th. I18N. What is that? Internationalization. Internationalization. In the word internationalization, word internationalization, there are 20 letters. There are 20 letters. So we can write in shortcut. Can write in shortcut as I18N. We can write in shortcut as I18N. Internationalization. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, boss. What is internationalization? Working for different locales. Our application working for different locales is called I18N on the application. Yeah, it is not locals, guys, locale only. Locale means language plus country. Locale means language plus country. Example, EN US, EN English, English as it speaks in US. Next, FR, French as it speaks in France. HIIN. What do you mean by HIN? Can you guess? Everyone, please guess. Hindi as it speaks in India. As it speaks in India. Got it? Okay, guys. Hindi as it speaks in India. FRCA. Array, same language will be spoken in different accents in different places. French as it speaks in Canada. French as it speaks in Canada and accent. And accent. Got it, guys? EN US, FR, HIIN, FRCA. Like this, lot of locales are there. Lot of locales are. While enabling I18 I18N on the application, we need to take care of presentation labels. We need to take care of what, guys? Presentation labels. Definitely, we need to worry about presentation labels. Definitely, solidly, we need to worry about presentation labels. Our labels should be changed according to the locale we choose, right? Okay. Labels must be rendered in different language according based on the locale we choose. Locale we choose. Next, number formats. Number formats. Guys, give me 2 minutes time. I'll come. Give me number formats. Numbers will be displayed according to currency symbols. Currency symbols. Next, number formats, date formats, currency symbols. Now we have to go for what? Okay, time formats. Time formats and etc. So we need to take care of everything, boss. When it comes to number formats, we Indians go for what format? Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Crore is the highest one we have. But when it comes to US people, units, tens, thousands, okay, thousands, they have billion, billion, trillion, like that they have other notation. Okay, accordingly, comma symbols will be changed, right? Date format also same thing. Currency symbol also same thing. Time format also same thing. We have to take care of these many things while working with internationalization. Understanding my point? Super, guys. By enabling I18N on the application, we can make more end users utilizing our application by choosing appropriate locale. By choosing appropriate locale. Tell me. Once the end user chooses certain locale, all the presentation content will be displayed according to that locale. Suppose I have chosen Hindi. Everything comes according to Hindi locale. Will be displayed according to that locale. According to that locale. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Will be displayed according to that locale. Comfortable, guys? Understanding my statement? Okay, boss. Spring's application context container. Spring's application context container gives direct support to work with internationalization. To work with I18N. To work with I18N. Understanding my statement, guys? To work with I18N. I18N for I18N enabled presentation labels. Presentation labels. For I18N enabled presentation labels, boss. Now tell me, what should I do? For I18N enabled presentation labels. Yeah, we need to take multiple properties files. Okay, on one per locale basis. Okay, one per locale basis, including one base file. One base. Next one. All properties files should have same keys with different values. All properties files should have same keys with different values. Convinced, my dear? Same keys with different values. Convinced or not? Keys must be same values, boss. Now tell me. Okay. Info dot properties base file. Info dot properties base file. Okay. Here, tell me. Wish dot message. What dot message, guys? Wish morning. Good morning. I'm going to keep message in good morning. Super. Now listen. Underscore HI underscore. Generally, base file contains English. If no matching property file found, it will go to base. HI underscore IN dot properties. Tell me here, what is this? Wish dot message. Wish dot message. Here we should get what, guys? Here we should get what? Hindi related messages. And for that one, we have to use Google Translator above. For that purpose, we have to use google.com. In google.com, here we'll be having one option, Google Translate. Namaste in Hindi, right? Google Translate. Come here. Here, what is there? Good morning. Good morning. So we are looking in Hindi. So we got Hindi content now, boss. Copy this. Copy this. Come here. Say paste. Yeah. Now listen. This is not supporting what? This paintbrush is not supporting Hindi letters, Ra Babu. That's why they are coming like this. That's why they are coming like this. Okay. Actually, Unicode numbers will be there, they should come. Unicode numbers will be there, they should come. Understanding my statement? Okay. Yeah, same problem. So what I do is, as of now, I'll cut paste. As of now, I will cut paste. Yes, boss. Next, for Hindi. For Hindi locale. Hindi locale. Tell me next one. Info underscore fr underscore fr dot properties. fr underscore fr dot properties. Are for French community rabad. Wish dot message. Wish dot message is equal to for French community. Okay. French. Bonjour. Bonjour. Copy guys. Paste. Right. Tell me, like this for every community you can write boss. But the info word should continue everywhere same. The info word should continue everywhere same. Info underscore d underscore d dot properties. D underscore d dot properties. Got it? D underscore d dot properties. He must be same Raghav. What is that? Wish dot message is equal to wish dot message is equal to this is for German language, Raghav. Okay, German. Okay, Guten Morgen. This is Guten. Safest. See, guys, this is for Hindi local. This is for French local. Right. This is for what local, guys? German local. German. Like this, you can take for any local. You can take for any local. You can take for any local. Are you understanding my statement? The base property file name must be continued in locale specific properties file. In locale specific properties. Understanding my statement? The base properties file name must be continued in locale specific properties. File names. Locale specific property file names. Got it, guys? Understood my statement? This is my wish dot message. Key should be there. Key should be there. Right. Yeah, this is one most of important thing that we should do, guys. Are you understanding my statement? English is for US now, boss. English is for US and base property file is having English. And if no matching property file is used, the base property file will be picked up automatically. Understanding my statement? Okay. If given locale specific properties file is not found, then the base properties file content will be used. The base property file content will be used. Are you getting my point, guys? Super. So we generally place English labels in base property file. Base property file English. Next, we can get messages of different languages. Messages of different languages for certain different languages by taking the support of Google Translate. Translate to by taking the support of Google Translate. What is the tool we are using, guys? Google Translate. What tool, guys? Yeah, Google Translate. A product of Google Bus. It is a product of Google. I think everyone knows how to utilize it. Very easy or not? Very easy or not? This is the one thing we should do, boss. Next one. To enable I18N in the application. I18N in the Spring application. Tell me. We need to configure one predefined Spring Bean class with the fixed bean ID. First time I am asking fixed bean ID. One predefined Spring Bean class called resource bundle message source. Message source with the fixed bean ID message source. First time I am saying you have to take fixed bean ID. Why? Because we don't call get bean method manually. That will be called internally by having fixed bean ID message source. To enable I18N in Spring application, we need to configure one predefined Spring Bean class called resource bundle message source with the fixed bean ID message source. How so, boss? Like this. Okay. In application context.xml. In application context.xml. Tell me. Bean ID message source. First time I am telling bean ID is fixed. Class is equal to some package name. Some package package dot resource bundle message source. Resource bundle message source. Yeah, we should give base property file name like this. Okay, tell me. Property name is equal to base name. Is that base name? Base name. Value is equal to, or if you want to do set injection on any property, what is the tag we should use? Property tag. Value. com/nt/commons/ what is the base property file name, guys? Info. What is the base property file name? Info. No need of giving dot properties, Babu. This is the package name. This is the base property file. So base name you have to give. Base name you have to give. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. This is package name. Package name. This is base file name. This is base file name. No need of giving dot properties. No need of giving dot properties. Okay. This is the first one, guys. This is the first point. Second one. This is the second one that we should do. Next, everyone switch off your cameras, guys. Everyone. Third one is very important. Concentrate. In client application, we need to call ctx.getMessage method. We need to call ctx.getMessage method. Understanding my statement? In client application, we need to call ctx.getMessage method. Okay. By passing key and locale object. By passing key and locale object. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Now let's see, guys, what I'm going to do. What is CTX? Container name. Container object. Application context container. So far we used get message method. Get bean method. Now we are using get message method. Are you noticing it, guys? Okay. Now listen. Locale is equal to new locale of you can hard code or you can get from end user. FR comma FR. FR comma FR. Got it? Super. Now tell me. String message is equal to ctx dot get message. What is the key, guys? Wish dot message. What is the key? Wish dot message, right, boss? And what is the object I am passing? Locale object. Locale object I am passing. Tell me, my dear, already this get message method internally calls what? This internally calls ctx dot get bean method message source. ctx dot get bean method message source. And what is that? Message source dot class. Once again, check it out. ctx dot get bean message source. That means we'll get access to this bean, and that is already pointing to info. And locale object is having FR. Come on, my dear. Okay, so that what happened? The overall file name will be what? Info underscore FR dot properties. It will search for what? Info underscore FR dot properties. Inside that it looks for this key. Come on. Array. This resource bundle message source class implements this interface. You can write common type also. If you are that much confused, 1 minute. Resource bundle message source. Resource bundle get message, wish dot message, comma locale. Okay. This internally calls what? ctx dot get bean. We will get access to this. In this object already base file name is injected, right? For that base file name, what is given? Locale object data is added. Okay. Info underscore FR dot properties. So it will go to info underscore FR dot properties. This one. In that one, submits the key wish dot message. What is there? Bonjour. So you will get bonjour message or not here. You will simply get bonjour or not. Come on, my dear. Gives bonjour. use the bonjour message. Simply use the bonjour message. What do you say, guys? Is that over or not over? Suppose here I have taken HI_IN. HI_IN. Same thing. What happened? It internally calls ETS.getBin. Gets the name and location of base property file. For that one, local object data is appended. What is appended? HIIN. So overall, it looks for what? Info_HI_IN dot properties. HI_IN dot properties. There it submits the key. What is the key it will submit? What is the key it will submit, my dear? Wish dot message. What you will get? Subprabhat, and it will print Subprabhat on the console or not? It will happily print Subprabhat on the console or not? Very, very interesting or not, boss? Very, very interesting or not? Okay. Flow of execution. First, this method is called a that internally calls CTX. This is internally called method. That's why we have to give fixed bean ID or not. This method is internally called it the fixed bean ID message. So same bean ID we should take care, right? B. Yeah. Because of this, what you will get? Gets the base property file name and location. Gets the base property file name and location. Super, guys. What is that? /NT/commons/info. Commons/info. Tell me next one. Okay, that is a C. That is a C. D was appends local object data. Local object data to base file. Appends the local object data to base file. Base file. Yeah, how does it will give, guys? How does it will give? com/NT/commons/ what is that? info_fr_fr dot properties. fr_fr dot properties. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah. Container don't know. This method is already there inside get message method. Message source is fixed here. That's why we are taking fixed bean ID. Since we know that get message internally call get bean with message source. Mr. Jilly, what's your name, Rob? Muddy fellow. What is the name you have taken while login? How can I pronounce your name, Rob? Worst fellow. What is that JLLI? What is the meaning of that name? Right. Since it is already available predefined name, since is already available method with fixed bean ID, we are taking the same bean ID here. We are taking the same bean ID here. Okay, this is fixed, Babu. That's why we are taking the same bean ID. Cool, guys. D, guys. Next, it goes to this property file, guys. It goes to this property file. Searches for the key. Wish dot message. And gets the value. Wish dot message and gets the value. Super, guys. Gets the value. That is E. Now tell me, that value will come here. F. That value will come here. I hope you understood the internals, guys. We call this method, that internally called get bean method. From get bean method, it will get what? Base property file name. Okay. For that one, local data, local object data is appended. Local object data is appended. Come on. So then you will get local specific properties file here. Okay. Then it goes to that properties file. There it will search for the key. There it will search for the key and gets the value. What is the value? Bonjour. Okay. And it will display bonjour message or not? It will seriously, literally display bonjour message or not? Are you getting my point there? This is 3. Okay. This step is going to be 3. Okay. Now you understood why I should give fixed bean ID? Why I should give fixed bean ID? Did you get the idea? Because ctx.get message internally calling get bean method. For that reason, we should give fixed bean ID. Super, guys. Now listen, let me develop that application in front of you people. Let me launch it. Example application. Step number 1, create project. Create Maven project. Maven project by taking Maven archetype quick start as the archetype. Maven archetype as the archetype. That's the first one, guys. So let's do that. Step number 2. In the Java in pom.xml. Good thing already you know this, all these steps. Add Spring context support dependency to pom.xml. Should I give detailed explanation about these 3 steps? These are quite regularly happening steps or not, boss? New here. Tell me. Maven project here. This. Maven archetype Maven archetype quick start. 1.4 is the latest selling. What is the project, guys? Core pros 10. Core pros 10 I18N. com.nt.test. Finish. com.nt.test. Finish, guys. Close everything. Go to pom.xml. Change Java version to 17. Perform Maven update. Update the process. Add dependency, boss. Go to dependencies section. mvnrepository.com. Spring context support. 5.3.3. Say paste. Right, guys. I think I hope you can do these steps. In every application, I am giving those steps, Rabab. Step number 4. Create the following packages. If you add Spring context support, Spring core jar file will come automatically. Spring core jars and dependent jars will come automatically. Create the following packages. Create the following packages in src slash main slash java folder. Right click package. com.nt.cfcs. New package. com.nt.test client application is already there. Commons. Today no, there is no user defined beats. Right. Okay. These are the 3 packages that I should. These are the 3 packages that I should create. Next. Step number 5. Add properties files. Add properties files. Sir, can we add jar file permanently or not? For every project, you should add separate. Add properties files to com slash coms com.nt.commons package. I have to create property files now, boss. Another one. Where is this file? What is the file? Info.properties. Info.properties. First one. File save as info underscore fr dot properties. File save as info underscore hi underscore in dot properties. Like this, you can take any locale specific properties. File save as info underscore de underscore de dot properties. So like this, we can take multiple products. This is base file. This is English specific. This is French specific. This is German specific. German specific. Okay, guys. Now tell me. First, go to base file, guys. Okay, for English locale. For English locale. Tell me. Wish dot message. Wish dot message. Copy this. Okay. For Hindi locale. Yeah, I'll change voice. Don't worry. For French locale. This is for French locale. Yes. German locale. This is for German locale. For Hindi locale, this is for French locale, guys. Now tell me, boss. Wish dot message is equal to good morning. Wish dot message is equal to good morning. So first of all, let me change here. Come to Google Translator, my dear. Where is Google? Translate. What is the message? Good morning. I have to search for English, Hindi, Subhu Prabhat, copy. Listen. When you paste in the Eclipse, you won't get Hindi labels. You will get Unicode characters. You will get Unicode characters. These are Unicode characters. These are /u some number means Unicode characters. Understanding my statement? They are internally Hindi letters only. For French, German, that headache is not there. Hindi. When it comes to Hindi, come on. Okay. When it comes to Hindi, if you search any browser, you can get it. Okay. German, Guten Morgen. Yeah, this is for French. Okay, let me open German one. Yeah, this is paste. These are also with English labels, no tension, no Unicode characters, right, boss? French. Okay, let's come to this place. Here you search for French. Okay, bonjour. Here is there. Are you getting my point, guys? Yeah, this is only difference. This is only difference. Okay. Urdu, Arabic, Telugu will come as Hindi. Who said Rababu? Java is based on Unicode characters. Okay. It supports Urdu, Telugu, Arabic languages also. It supports all Indian languages. You can try. You can try. You can try. Not a problem. Got it, guys? So this is what we need to understand regarding what this. Okay. Everything is same, my dear. But only when it comes to Hindi, real Hindi alphabets are not coming. In that place, Unicode characters are coming. Here also, actually, Unicode characters only we should take, boss. Okay, here also you should actually take Unicode characters only. Understanding my statement? But at that time, not available. That's why we are taking this. At that time, somehow they are not available. That's why we have taken this. Got it, guys? Okay. These are Unicode characters. These are Unicode characters. These are simply Unicode characters. Super. Just a minute. Is the content in files. Place the content in files. Place the contents in files as shown above. Place the content in files as shown above. Got it, guys? Super. Next, what is this? Step number 6. When you run the application, see, when you run the application, our command prompt supports Hindi. Our command prompt is based on Unicode character set. So happily it shows Hindi labels. Step number 6. Develop Spring Bean configurations. Develop the Spring Bean configurations. Having the configuration of resource bundle message. Resource bundle message. Are you with me, guys? Right click, new, others, Spring Bean configuration file was. Yes, what is the file name? Application context.xml. Beans here, context here. Okay, beans. Context here. Say next, save finish. Say next, save finish. bean ID message source is equal to resource bundle message source. Tell me. Property name, base name, okay. Value is equal to com slash nt slash commons slash give. This is my application context dot. This is my application context dot xml. Done. Step. Develop the client. Step number 7. Develop the client. Develop the client application. New class. Tell me. Spring I18N test. Spring I18N test. Spring I18N test. Here is my client. Create IOC container, guys. What is this? Class path XML application context. CTX is equal to new class path XML application context. com slash nt slash cfz slash application context dot xml, guys. Application context dot x. Clear, my dear? Got the clarity, boss? Super, guys. Next one. Okay, prepare locale object. Prepare locale object having language and country. Yeah, okay. And you want to be more specific about it? Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.in. Sysort. Enter country language code. String lang code is equal to sc dot next of string. What is that? string. Next. Enter country code, guys. Enter country code. String country code is equal to sc dot next, guys. Yes, please. Read inputs from email. Super, guys. Read inputs. Cut it. Paste. Right, boss. Tell me. Prepare locale object. Locale is equal to new locale. Tell me. Lang code, comma. What is that country? Lang code, comma, country. Everyone understood my statement, guys? Respond, my dear. Everyone respond. Okay. Please give me steps how to create application context.xml. Okay. Preetham, how many applications we created so far? Muddy fellow. This guy is now asking me how to create application context.xml. Did you ever practice at least one application, waste fellow? Why you attend classes, Babu? I think it's a 10th project. And almost in 8 projects, we created Spring Bean configuration file. And today, this guy is asking how to create Spring Bean configuration file. Do one thing, in front of your home, there will be one drainage. Please jump into it. At least you will get feel. You will get realization. Okay. Are you understanding my statement? How shamelessly people ask the question. And moreover, is it rocket science, Babu? I think already I have given so many times. Okay. Since he has asked, once again, check it out. Right click, new, others. You have to choose what? Spring Bean configuration file, name of the file. Okay, that's it. Name of the file. That's over. We have to select just Spring Bean configuration file. Super. Pritham, you are asking this question out of practice. You go and open your Eclipse. I think not even 1-2 applications will be there in your workspace. And you are asking me how to create Spring Bean configuration file. Dirty fellow. First practice, run. Practice. If you listen theory, every day looks, even if I click the mouse button, also it looks new. If you do practicals, my mouse operation, keyboard operation looks like a non-operation. Otherwise, even small movement of mouse also looks very great. Okay, guys. Get message from proper. Get message. Get message from locale specific properties file. String MSG is equal to ctx dot get message. ctx dot get message. Come on. Tell me here what is there. Okay. Wish dot message is the key. Wish dot message is the key. After this, what next? Wish dot message is the key. Actually, we have to take one overloaded method. We have to take one overloaded method. Actually, we want to pass locale only, no doubt. But 2-param method is not there. We have 4-param method where we have to pass some dummy values. Check it out. ctx dot get message. This one you take. String code. Code is nothing but key. String code is nothing but key. What is that? Wish dot message. Here is my locale object. What about this one, Babu? What about this? Okay. And I don't want to pass anything. Oh, so what should I do? I have to pass empty array. How to pass empty array? New object array, empty floor bracket. New object array, empty flower bracket. Got it? I will talk about this one later. Don't worry about this. I don't want to pass anything. That's why I'm passing empty array. That's why I'm passing empty array. Clear, guys? See, MSG. MSG is mess. Message is plus MSG. Close container. CTX dot close. Close container CTX dot close, guys. Super. Now listen. Run the application. Run as Java application. Country code FR. Oh, sorry, wrong code. Language code FR. Array default English is taken na, because DR country code is not there. When no matching, base property file will be picked up. Run it. Country code FR. Language code FR. Bonjour has come na. Bonjour has come. I know everyone is eagerly waiting for it. I18N. Okay. Prabhat. Subhu Prabhat. Hindi message has come na. Though here Unicode characters are there. Though here in having Unicode characters. But while rendering it will come as Hindi only. That's why we can say Java supports Unicode character set. Java output can have inputs can have Unicode characters. That means almost every word in the world can be there in the Java inputs and outputs. Okay, Unicode characters. Characters. Got it, guys? Super. Super. Now run the application now. I have given X and Y. Not matching. It is going to base property file where English label is there. Okay, now I am giving matching D. Okay, Guten Morgen. Array, it is coming in German language or not? It is coming in German language or not? I want reply. It is definitely coming in German language. What do you say, guys? It is definitely coming in German language. Okay, develop the client application. Say paste. Develop the client application. Tell me, according to the locale I have given, the labels are changed or not? The labels are changed or not? Come on. According to the locale that I have given, the labels are changed or not? Is it not interesting? Is it not interesting, boss? Spring is giving good support for internationalization or not? Definitely Spring is giving great support to work with what? Internationalization. What do you say, guys? Okay, like this, we have completed one more feature of application context container. First is pre-instantiation of singleton scope bins. Yesterday's property file and placeholders. Today, internationalization. So, like this, I will bin factory container and application context container. Bin factory container and application context container. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, VI, this is standalone application now. If it is a web application, in the home page, we will provide hyperlinks. If it is a web application, we will provide home page, Google website, you see, we provide hyperlinks like this. Hindi, everything comes in Hindi. Kannada, everything comes in Kannada, right? Like this, we provide hyperlinks in the starting home page. So there we choose. Okay, Deepali Power in Eclipse Maven is built in. What else you configure, muddy fellow? What else you configure? In Eclipse Maven is default, right? In Eclipse, Maven is what? Built-in tool. There is no need of doing anything else, right, boss? Yogeshwar Rao, try to install perfect version of STS plugin. Then problem can be solved. Right now, I'm showing only in standalone and setup. Only on presentation labels I have shown, guys. We will learn internationalization in Spring MVC application, nothing but web application. So there we will see other things also. Okay, currency symbols, date formats, time format, number formats, everything we try to study there. Everything we try to study there. Got it, guys? Super, guys. I hope day to day, are you enjoying the sessions? Deepika MS, to work with the latest version of Spring Java 1.8 is minimum. Java 1 minimum. But our Maven project is coming by default. Maven project is coming by default with what version? 1.7. So that's the reason we are changing to latest to 17. If you want, you can take 1.8 or 11, 12, anything you can take. But minimum 1.8 is required to work with the latest version of Spring. Right, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Don't panic. Syed Fatima, definitely it's the responsibility of the programmer to take care. Okay. Yeah, not entire data, only presentation labels you have to change. The labels you want to change for every request. Fine, boss. Only the label that you want to change for when internationalization is enabled. Only those things you have to maintain in properties. Fixed labels you need not to touch. Fixed table you need not to touch. Understanding my statement, guys? Sir, I did not get form edit time updation option because that's a normal XML file, right? Anyone can edit. Anyone can edit. So it's a basic text file. XML files are basic text files, right? Basic text file. Open it and modify it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have a nice time.